Hanumakka Mobile Repair Center. All type of mobile repairing done here. Visit our service center in Bangalore. We are open 24/7.
Lucky. Lucky. Lucky.
All types of money transfer, cash withdrawal, money withdrawal, and APS withdrawal available here.
Hanumakka Mobiles Repairing Center, Bangalore. All type of mobile repair is available. Display replacement, mobile mic and speaker replacement, speaker changer and flashing, mobile flashing.
Hanumakka Travel Booking Center, Bangalore. We do all types of train, bus, flight, and car bookings.
I need a train ticket to Mysore.
Good morning, Hanumakka Birds Bangalore. All types of birds available, wholesale price, no India birds. Subscribe now, visit Hanumakka Birds Bangalore.
Hanumakka Birds Bangalore. For subscribe my customer get free 100% Budget Birds. Subscribe now.